a global minority with a powerful voice. Across history, there have always been communities that left a mark far greater than their numbers. One such community is the Ismaili Muslim community, a powerful voice. Let's go back more than 1,000 years. During the time of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, the imamate placed a deep emphasis on the pursuit of science, philosophy, and logic. In an age when the world was still waking up to knowledge, Imam Jafar al-Sadiq encouraged questioning, reasoning, and discovery. It was in this environment that brilliant minds like Jabir ibn Hayyan, the father of chemistry, emerged, producing work that shaped science for centuries. But this was not a smooth journey. The Ismaili community faced hardship, persecution, and even martyrdom. Yet the flame of learning never went out. In the time of Imam Taqi Muhammad, a group known as the Brethren of Purity, Ikhwan al-Safa, emerged. Their writings filled with philosophy, ethics, and science spread across the world. And once again, the Ismaili love for learning reached new heights. Then came a golden chapter, the Fatimid era. Under the Fatimids, knowledge flourished like never before. In the reign of Imam al-Hakim, the famous Dar al-Ilm, the house of knowledge opened its doors to all. Under Imam al-Mu'izz, the Al-Azhar University was established, destined to become one of the greatest centers of learning in history. Here, people from every faith, race, and background came together, united by the desire to learn. When the Fatimid era came to an end, one might have expected the tradition of learning to fade, but it did not. Wherever the Nizari Ismailis built a castle, they built a library. Knowledge was not just preserved, it was celebrated. And then, in 1256, the Mongol leader attacked the castle of Alamut. Among its treasures, he found rare books bound in gold, their pages covered with the wisdom of centuries. The library was burned, the books turned to ashes, but the love for knowledge lived on. Ismaili imams and their missionaries continued their mission in silence. They stayed away from danger but never stopped spreading knowledge and awakening minds. One such figure was Shams Tabrizi, the mystic who transformed Maulana Rumi into a Sufi poet whose words still inspire millions with love and unity.
Tabriz was the same, and the radiant light of the God's garden was the same that was a secret, but become manifest and become our beloved.
The journey of the imamate moved from Arabia to Iran, reaching Hassan Ali Shah, the first Aga Khan. From there, it traveled to Imam Shah Ali Shah, and then to Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah. In the time of Imam Sultan Muhammad Shah, the Ismaili service to humanity expanded greatly. Schools were built, hospitals were opened, freedom of thought was encouraged. He believed that education was the key to a better future, a belief that had been passed down from the time of Imam Ali himself. Then came the time of Imam Shah Karim al-Husseini. He created a modern, structured system to serve not only the Ismaili community, but people of all backgrounds across the globe. Throughout Ismaili history, many remarkable personalities have left their mark on the world. In the 11th century, Nasir Khusro was a poet, scholar, and traveler whose writings and teachings spread knowledge across Central Asia. Jauhar al-Sikili was a brilliant Fatimid general who helped establish Cairo, while Queen Arwa of Yemen became a rare female ruler and a respected leader who built mosques and governed with wisdom. The Fatimid Imam al-Hakim founded the House of Knowledge in Cairo, supporting learning and culture. In modern times, Aga Khan III played a key role in Muslim political reform and education, and his grandson, Aga Khan IV, combined spiritual leadership with global development through the Aga Khan Development Network. Business leader Azim Premji transformed Wipro into a global company and gave much of his wealth to improve education in India. Prince Sadruddin Aga Khan served as UN High Commissioner for Refugees, championing humanitarian and environmental causes, while Princess Yasmin Aga Khan dedicated her life to raising awareness about Alzheimer's disease. In the early 19th century, Mada Salamat showed great courage by securing justice and protection for her son, the future Aga Khan. These figures from past to present are remembered for their intelligence, leadership, and service to humanity.